Can you clobber me? No one's. You not about to hit me when I'm asleep.
Wait.
They like, hell yeah, I'll beat your ass.
I'll be glad to beat you.
Tagging his ass.
Smack, here it come. That nigga like he ready for it too.
How do you do that shit when you say, oh.
Here it come. Smack, 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 smack.
I thought they was gonna do it like
no,
like,
nigga,
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They all at the same time.
Hey, you saw their face? They was like, don't you dare come beat us.
Steve. Smack, 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 smack. Oh yeah, that's steep. I'm not doing 500 none with nobody on my back. But I just know this man's got balance to be running them flops like that.
Yep.
I would never play tag with her.
She look like once she quiet, so I know she fast as hell.
Oh, so I'm not going for the hand. Ooh. We doing something clean. Twisting up. Ooh.
I would have twisted my body in.
Wow. So y'all just sitting there watching though. He doing extra training too though. Yeah. On top of that training. Bro, them little girls are a great support system for real, for real. Oh, he broke that Joan.
Yeah, nigga, y'all need to get
right,
together.
Bro. If y'all don't start training, bro.
So laying in the bed all damn day. His body ain't healed yet. What the fuck?
Bro, I'm like, bro.
That shit just big. Nigga looking like number 2 and shit. Not number 2, but number 3.
Yeah. Like a mixture of number 3 and number 4 because it's hair. Mm-hmm. No.
Hey, y'all niggas lazy.
But where does she just be coming from?
Bro, you saw she can fly. So I wouldn't be too shocked where she just randomly just appear and disappear. There he go.
Dog.
Excuse me. That's what I like to see.
Yeah, these niggas going crazy now.
That's what I like to see.
They just need that motivation.
I would have thought she would open her mouth to her.
Bro, I thought she was going to say something. Yes, something.
Oh, them the boonies. Them the boonies. Oh, that's steep. That's the boonies.
Is that her?
I don't know. I'm starting to feel sad. I was having a fun little episode.
Oh, low key. And then coming off what happened to the last girl about her sister getting freaking massacred by a demon, bro, and she getting mentally broken. Look at that. And I don't even know if that was a demon though. That looked like just a regular human. Fucking asshole.
That's the sister.
Is it? Okay, I'm like, her hair look long as hell.
Yeah, remember the older sister had them beautiful eyes.
Yeah, you right. Broke. He threw it in your face like you broke, bitch.
He gonna pick it up though.
Yeah, he gonna pick it up. Hey, they just threw money in your face and took off. Hey, you see her eyes getting bigger?
It came back. She got straight to clean. She was in her shit. She in her shit. She get all that motherfucking dirt and fleas and all that shit. Now you a clean girl. Like a whole new
The child is hopeless.
Her sword was cold. Yo.
That explains why she was the leagues ahead of them niggas.
Yeah, because she was trained by these niggas. Oh, that explains it all then. It's crazy to think when she was younger, she was kind of reckless. You see the way she talking? Yeah. But now she all calm, collected.
I mean, see where she got that headless or tailless coin from.
Hey, he about to beat their ass for breaking that man's sword.
He for sure about to put the hands on. He said, hey, hold this real quick. Oh.
He just did it. Yes.
Bro, this nigga came in, bro. You see how hard he gripped that bitch, bro? His arms like stiff. He was
about to kill that nigga, dog.
Oh,
my man said, hold this. Oh my god.
Dog. Oh my god, he really trying to get this man out of here, dog.
He tried to murder that nigga, dog.
Oh my god. What's he about to do? He about to chip them bitches.
rock. No rock. He's about to
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
He was just talking about how my man was so overpassionate type shit. And then,
that shit pissed that nigga off. Oh, shit.
bro, he was hitting that bitch perfect, though, for him to still be sharp like that.
Smack that nigga lost. All cool. Damn, nigga. Strong ass veins, don't you think?
Shit. That nigga, I can't wait to swing my sword. Oh, caught her ass.
That nigga getting... Nigga, he's straining. I feel like he's straining himself, though. That's better.
He's like, this medicated water stinks. It sucked to splash her with it.
Oh, crap. Get it together. That's what I like to see.
This nigga didn't
Nigga,
put
hell
on
no.
them bitches. You might have to talk to bro about that.
Yeah.
Find your true roots. Maybe you're supposed to be a flame breather, bruh.
Because the old dude that was training with water.
Yeah.
He probably is.
Both of them people that was training him was water.
Mm-hmm.
Telepathy, maybe? Because even if she could speak, you can't speak within your mouth. Not that clear. That was clear as hell.
And she still asleep.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh.
Oh, no.
Was it numbers in his eyes? No. Yeah, just three.
I like that. Just
three ugly motherfuckers. Oh, no. That's how it be. That's how my last couple strokes sound when I'm about to nut.
I hate you. What? Fire on that nigga.
Oh, brown and no brains.
Got the firing on that nigga.
Firing on that nigga.
What type of house is that?
So this where they all live? They all live in one
Lower
place?
2. He look kind of cool. He got a beard and everything. Is she making it look like that or? Nah, it's...
Gotta be, bro.
Who's that?
Well, who is these motherfuckers in here?
How many niggas is it?
I know there's a lower.
It's an old nigga.
I know there's a lower 6 and an upper 6. Either that or someone that's side by side with my man's.
That's a nigga?
Came out with a deep voice.
That's Michael Jackson?
Wait, he can just change his shape like that? This nigga's a Orochimaru.
He can be a female if he want to.
This dude is a Orochimaru, cuz. Unless he possessing bodies or something. Other than that, he a Orochimaru.
Damn.
Them niggas are, well, I guess they is weak. He like, yeah, cuz one of y'all died. Oh, y'all weak. This nigga out here reading minds, cuz.
Go ahead. Say it. Ooh.
You better stop thinking. You might as well stop thinking right now.
Screwed how?
Go ahead. You might as well say it out, nigga.
You should have shut the fuck up.
Oh, he about to drop your ass.
Oh, God.
Ooh. Yep.
Nah.
Too late. Why is
I
what
shut
happening?
Right.
Oh, shit. You just don't say nothing. Just stop talking. I wouldn't say shit.
Damn. He is off in these niggas.
Bro, he said, hey, man, y'all niggas is trash.
Stop talking in your mind. Just shut the fuck up. Just sit there and look. Don't say a fucking word.
Nothing. I wouldn't even think nothing. He quick, though. But how do you get out of a place you have no idea how to get out of?
You fucking idiot. Why would the fuck would you leave? You gonna die even worse.
You don't even know how to go. You don't even know where to go. Look at that. How you get his head? He caught his shit. Like, bro, it's trash.
Are y'all recording?
Yeah.
Gang, sis, potty train. You already know what it is. I'm in this cut. You already know what the deal is. About to go get me some food. Yeah. I'm out.
I should have said no.
Why y'all doing me like that?
I ain't everybody say
Your
nothing.
jacket cold.
Thank you. Something like that.
Something like that, you know. Some little light, something light.
Tell you though.
What's good?
And let them be waiting for me to get out.
I do. I'm glad you know that.
You glad I know that?
Mm-hmm.
You literally just be sitting there just waiting for me. That's why you don't respond, because you don't want me to stay in here longer. We're the same person. Okay, see you guys later. Enjoy.
All right, thank you.
Don't delete that. You can edit it, but don't delete it.
Where did you think he was about to go? Like, let's be honest. At that point, you can just kill me instead of just hold my head.
Mm-hmm. I feel like you disrespecting the fuck out of me. Shut the fuck up.
He just asked them if they had any last words. They're gonna die anyway.
Oh, you killing them all?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
So where you gonna get? You just gonna get cop a whole new lower six?
They trash. That's why they there, because they trash. That's why they getting
Okay.
cut up. That's why they getting fucked up, because they trash.
I don't think I've seen them fight.
You don't need to see them fight. You already seen the other one fight. They cold against regular niggas, but the Hashiras, that's what his problem is. Y'all niggas ain't fighting these niggas. But he said the upper six, though, they ain't lost. They ain't took an L yet to the Hashiras. So we gonna see what the upper six about. Because they the ones out here replacing motherfuckers. They slicing.
They be fucked up to see the upper six just come and slide at them niggas.
They probably is. It ain't gonna be fucked up. Because I know someone that need to die as part of that, the Hashiras.
Mm-hmm. I know exactly who need to get gone. 4 of them niggas need to say goodbye. I'm sorry.
This my nigga out here just ruthless. He don't give a fuck.
I think she dead. Oh.
He about to be.
So he's still alive. But I think he's slowly dying. Cause I swear he had a chest. Oh, I guess.
You could have killed me.
Yeah, cause that shit look painful as fuck.
Bruh, you feel me? So getting to him is damn near impossible with that bitch.
Yep. What the fuck?
Like he just dropped motherfuckers off anywhere. Hey man, you got to pick which one you want to kill. You might be able to get away with killing a Hashira, but I mean, I don't know, bro. You ain't gonna be able to kill both of them. Going with Rengoku, that's the fire dude.
Yep.
Yeah, he about to get off.
The fire nigga?
He got to. I feel like he is, bro. Cause like I said, bro, my man's not gonna kill Tanjiro and the Hashira.
Nah.
You might get away with killing the Hashira, but not Tanjiro. That's what I'm saying. If that's the nigga he finna be with.
Asshole dude.
Oh, he kind of tall, ain't he?
Nigga, when he get so big?
Let's see, he bumped into me even though I got out the way. Was he always that big?
Hell no.
He got a new scar too.
That nigga face, though. That dirt face is so
That was the
funny.
goddamn Saitama face, nigga.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with being afraid to die. Psych! Shouldn't have became a demon slayer. Don't let him motivate you to go get killed. You know you will get offed out there. Do not go anywhere outside of those walls. Nah. Yeah.
Something.
Like, no, that's steep.
When he become a Hashira, he gonna
He
train.
said, can I borrow that for a second?
This nigga became a duel master.
Nigga, didn't he? You see how he just how he just flipped that bitch?
Nigga became a Bakugan master, nigga. What the hell?
He flipped the shit out of that coin, didn't he?
Ooh, you don't.
Oh, someone took that bitch. No, someone took it.
Oh.
Oh, no. Where the hell did that wind come from? Where the hell did that wind come from?
That nigga flipping that bitch.
I would have flipped that bitch in hand second. She's sick. Oh, so that don't even matter. Oh, that's the wind of you falling in love. That's what the hell hit her.
That's what I'm
That's
talking
what, that's what hit her. That's what hit her. That nigga said, hey, I gonna cap. Even if it was Tails, I was gonna keep flipping it over and over again. He really didn't have a choice. We saved time for getting it on the first choice. Oh, he took it off.
You need to. I ain't gonna breathe through the mask. Damn.
Ain't no way they should have got to his level already.
Hey. See that? I tell you just for that part.
Hey, look.
Damn, he tall. Shit.
It's like everybody just got taller on this
Bro,
one.
I swear to God.
I swear they was all just like around the same height at least.
So niggas got instant transmission.
Where is niggas learning this from?
I like when he does that.
There ain't no Kais in this world. Let's see how I can't wait to see how much they training actually paid off.
Mm-hmm.
They about to struggle with that lower last single survived in 6, dude.
Yep.
I'm just putting him at 7. I'm just calling him number 7.
But that's new to him, so I'm gonna shut up.
Where are they at? Those people are just totally different. No, didn't you hear me say train? A railway train. All right, it's a vehicle for transporting people. Oh, he don't know what the fucking train is either. Yeah, that's not smart. I did.
He said, "Stop embarrassing." Oh shit. He has a different. No, I realized he had a different attitude.
Oh yeah, my man. That training, bro. He changed. It shit changed him.
Changed him.
I see some character development developing in him.
They look out like that though.
They do look cold. I love these 3, dog.
They're the fucking best. Bro. I fucking love them. They're like the 3 Stooges.
They need to get my man a kimono though, cause
yeah,
I want to see what his shit would look like.
Mm-hmm. Probably be dark blue mixed with the light blue because of his hair. But that's different because his shit don't. Well, that's his father's.
Now that's how you end an episode. Wait, they not just ending the episode.
They ending the fucking series.
Shit, that's how you end the season. Oh man, it caught me fucking lacking, bro. I'm like, damn, they actually ended this episode pretty cool. Oh my god, but it's a whole fucking season being ended.
Nigga went from Michael Jackson to motherfucking Michelle.
Janet.
To Janet. Yeah.
Dog. You weren't gonna help these niggas with the train?
Oh shit.
There go the. Oh, it's about to go crazy. Season 2 about to be lit.
One more episode, please.
Hey, bro. Hey, we need a season 2 of this for sure. I don't know if it already got confirmed yet or not. But, yo, y'all need to share this shit. Watch it over and over again. Post it. Make a video. Share this video. Like and subscribe. Share this video. Tell your friends about this video. Tell your friends about the anime. And we all need to hop and keep... Man, we need to watch this, bro. Because we already watched it. But I'm just saying, y'all need to, like, share that shit. You know what I'm saying? If you need someone to watch it, verb that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Because this... Bro, this is
a man.
This heat. This is heat. What's up? Y'all got me something at the end. If they give me something at the end, it's goated for centuries. Coming of age. Did that say concluded? Yup. So this is the coming of age arc. Demon Slayer Times Zero coming of age arc concluded. Newsflash. Oh, what is this?
Hmm?
Oh yeah, that man about to do something crazy. We on the Infinity Train arc. Hold on, wait a minute. Greenlit film adaptation. Greenlit movie. They making a movie.
Oh, that was confirmed.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it was
what?
confirmed.
A movie?
They're making a movie about this whole little thing.
About the train?
Mm-hmm. And then after that, it's gonna be the next series.
What? Fucking bro, let's go, bro. Let's go.
I forgot I had seen that on Twitter that they was making a movie.
Damn, let's go, bro.
But I didn't know why they was making a movie. But now I see why.
We gotta watch that shit for sure, man.
You know goddamn shit, nigga.
Bro.
We gotta watch all the movies that come out.
Boy, yo, this jump finna be crazy, cuz. But no, for real, bro. Demon Slayer, man. Hey, hands down,
goated.
Probably
goated.
If not the best goated anime in this simulcast. I'm putting that out there. I'm feeling it. Unless Fire Force like heats up, no pun intended, more than what it is now. Right now, I think Demon Slayer got it. I mean,
I feel like
Dr. Stone's good. You know, Vinland Saga. I ain't watched it yet, so
it's like you gotta look at it though. You gotta look at it this way though, because like I never read the manga of Dr. Stone and the Fire Force. So like they like building up to their point. You feel me? Mm-hmm. This first season of Demon Slayer, it built up to their point, and then it ended on that point, and that's why I fuck with this anime more, because it's like they did their thing on their first season. Like,
I mean, yeah, but you gotta think about it though, because Dr. Stone and the Fire Force, they're only like on episode 12.
Yeah.
So they're going just as long as this one did. So they got like 13 more episodes to build and shit.
And it's like, for me to just like discover it and didn't even try to attempt to like read the manga or anything of what's going on, I feel like this gave me enough action, the characters, the plot, and like and I'm like very aware of what's going on at the same time. And it's like, I can't even complain about the little training, them being, injured and they was training. I actually love the training part, like them training episodes. I actually adored those a lot. And, just from the beginning of this anime, I actually adored every single moment of this shit. Like, I hands down love Demon Slayer.
No, Demon Slayer, boy, I'm telling you, bro, Demon Slayer gonna be one of them big bangers, man, because it's one of those animes, you feel me? It's weird, though, because before Demon Slayer even came out, it wasn't even a lot of people talking about it, you feel what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Even the people that were reading it, there were a few people that were reading it that brought it up here and there, but there was no big hype for it coming out. Most of the hype was surrounded
on that first
around
episode.
around like Fire Force and other Vinland Saga and Dr. Stone coming up. It wasn't too many people really hopping on Demon Slayer until a couple episodes went by and people was like, hey man, hold on, wait, this anime got some heat on it. You feel what I'm saying? And then when my mans came out with come out going crazy and shit, niggas like, oh wait, hold on, we might have to hop on this Demon Slayer train. You feel what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So it's good to see an anime like that, just that didn't really start off getting a lot of noise, just grow and become pretty much the best anime of its simulcast. You know
Especially
what I'm saying?
On Twitter, nigga. They started off with nobody wasn't talking about it.
Wasn't talking about it at all.
And then like that first episode, people like realized they recognized the animation and like how much was built into that first fucking episode. And then after the first episode, it was moments like, okay, this shit is funny. People started loving the characters on Twitter. They actually was adoring like Nintetsu. They was adoring Tanjiro. They was adoring Inosuke. Yeah, Inosuke. And they was adoring these characters. And then Nezuko, everybody loved Nezuko when she started making memes about.
She's the GOAT.
They started making memes of her, and then they started making memes of the the Hashiros and shit like that. Yeah. So that's where
another thing that makes Demon Slayer so good is not only is the story, like, is it progressing and growing, but you also have the action put in there, and they also sprinkle like humor in this shit. Like, the shit is also funny
as hell.
So all around the show is entertaining in all aspects, which hopefully Demon Slayer can keep running for, like, I'm not gonna say no crazy shit like Naruto or One Piece, but it'll have like a healthy amount, at least a good 4 or 5 seasons. You feel what I'm saying? Because I mean, let's be honest, bro. The story's there, and you just want to watch more when it's over with. But only got 30 seconds left for this video, so just go ahead and thank you for watching Demon Slayer with us.
Yeah, thank every single subscriber for watching us. Y'all kept the motivation of watching this. Plus, I also wanted to watch it.
And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button.
Hit it.
Leave a comment down below. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, y'all.
What was your favorite moment in Demon Slayer?
That as well,
Put that in the comments.